Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Welcome to an exciting opportunity that you simply cannot miss. Are you ready for a game changer? Because what we have in store for you is nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine having access to all the top AI apps in one single dashboard, for a low one-time price. Sounds good? Well, it gets even better. Let me introduce you to the InsourceApps Mega Pack, the ultimate AI bundle that will transform the way you work and create. What's inside this powerhouse, you ask? Well, first up we have Access One AI. You get premium AI apps like ChatGPT 4, Gemini Pro, DALL 3, Leonardo AI, Palm 2, Meta Llama 3, and Stable Diffusion XL, all at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. This is just the beginning. Access One AI 2.0 takes it up a notch, offering even more advanced tools and features. You get even more tools like Kling AI, Lexica, Luma AI, Hugging Face, 11 Labs, HeyGen, Ideogram, Adobe Firefly, Flux, One AI, Pika, Synthesia, and others. Imagine the possibilities with such a comprehensive suite of tools at your disposal. It's a treasure trove for any AI enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this bundle has something for everyone. Want to create stunning, faceless YouTube videos? We've got you covered. Check out Access AI Tuber, designed specifically for content creators who want to make an impact without showing their face. Need to produce limitless 4K cinematic videos effortlessly? Look no further. Access AI Movie Maker has got you covered, providing you with all the tools you need to create professional quality videos with ease. And with Access AI agents, you can create amazing AI materials 24/7. Whether it's for business or personal projects, the possibilities are endless. Seriously, it's newbie-friendly and super easy to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. And the best part? Lifetime access. 0 recurring monthly payments. That's right, no hidden fees or surprise charges. Plus, there's an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back, no questions asked. So, why grab it now? Because opportunities like this don't come around often. This is your golden ticket to owning all industry-leading AI tools in one package at an amazingly low one-time price. It's an investment in your future. And get this, the year-end deal pack comes with a 100% commercial license. This means you can use these tools for your business without any restrictions. That means you can create and sell as many AI assets as you want, keeping 100% of the profits. Imagine the revenue potential. And exclusive bonuses worth $4,585 are also included. These bonuses are designed to give you an extra edge and maximize your productivity. But don't wait. This exclusive year-end deal is available for a limited time only. Once it's gone, it's gone. Click the link below to secure your Mega Pack now. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your AI game. Thanks for watching and happy creating with your new AI tools.